What is up, people? I want to do this video for you guys because couldn't sleep, so I checked out Home Depot to see what their special buy of the day was, and they got tons of tools. They got Dewalt tools, Milwaukee tools, Ryobi tools, Rigid tools, bunch of bundles that they got really discounted out. So I want to do this video for you guys just so you guys can see what kind of deals they got on for today. Here's a 7 tool kit, 20 volt max cordless combo kit. It was $723, now $479. As you guys can see there, it comes with a drill driver, impact driver, circular saw, oscillating tool, grinder. They got the sander, LED work light, two 2.0 amp hour batteries, and one 4.0 amp hour battery, charger, and then a tough system case for $479. Over here they got a 4 tool combo kit. This is the 20 volt max. It was, looks like $506 down to $379. Here they got the Dewalt Atomic 20 volt max brushless cordless impact, the drill, oscillating tool, two 1.3 amp hour batteries, a charger, and then a contractor's bag. You got the 20 volt max XR cordless brushless half-inch drill driver with one 20 volt 5.0 amp hour battery and then a charger. Was $328. This one's $249. Tons of deals, guys. They got the 20 volt max XR cordless brushless half-inch drill driver with one 20 volt 5.0 amp hour battery and charger. This is $328. They got this down to $249. This one has the 4.5 inch grinder with it. Got another kit here. This one's the Atomic 20 volt max cordless brushless compact. You're getting a half-inch drill driver. You're getting two 1.3 amp hour batteries, oscillating tool, the charger, and then a contractor's bag. So you're getting all this. Was $289 down to $209. Over here we got the Atomic 20 volt max brushless cordless compact half-inch hammer drill with 20 volt brushless. Was that an oscillating tool there? Was $299, now $209. Yep, comes with the brushless oscillating tool. Get the contractor's bag. Over here we got the M12 brushless cordless hammer drill and impact driver combo. It's got the 3/8 ratchet. This is $199. Was $349. So down here it tells you you get the half-inch hammer drill driver, you get the 1/4 inch hex impact driver, the M12 red lithium 2.0 compact battery pack. You're getting the 4.0 extended capacity battery pack, a charger, contractor bag, and then you're getting the 3/8 inch ratchet, all for $199. Alright, so down here we got the M18 4 tool kit. It looks like was $899. Now they got this. Oh, this one says its item is currently out of stock. So click out of that one. That was another really good deal. It was $689 for a 4 tool kit with the 4.5 inch grinder. That one says out of stock for me. Over here we got the M18 fuel brushless cordless combo kit. It's a 4 tool kit. Comes with two 5.0 amp hour batteries, one charger, and one tool bag. This was $779, now $569. Over here we got the M12 compact bandsaw. Looks like it's also has, yep, it has the oscillating multi-tool. This was $378, now $259. This one also comes with the 4.0 battery and an M12 charger. Over here we got M12 12-volt lithium brushless cordless 4-in-1 installation 3/8" drill driver kit with M12 multi-tool. This one was $2.99, now $1.99. This one's also going to include the 2.0 battery pack and the contractor's bag. So you're getting 2 tools there for $200. Was $300. Scroll a little further down here. We got a 3-tool kit here. Was $628, now $509. This one you're going to get the 1/2" hammer drill, 1/4" hex impact driver, a 5.0 battery, and then the M18 M12 charger and a carrying case. And then also you're going to get the oscillating tool. This one was $628, now $509. Over here they got the cordless hammer drill and impact driver combo kit with the circular saw. This one was $5.99, now $5.29. This one you're going to get the 1/2" hammer drill, the 1/4" hex impact driver, 2 M18 5.0 batteries, 1 M18 M12 charger, and a carrying case, 1 7¼ circular saw, blade and wrench. That's going to be $5.29, regularly $5.99. Man, guys, there's a lot of stuff here. Alright, over here, they got the M18 hammer drill impact driver combo kit with the surge impact. This one was $5.48 down to $4.69. This one you're going to get the 1/2" hammer drill, 1/4" hex impact driver, 2 M18 5.0 batteries, the M18 M12 charger, and then you're going to get the carrying case and the fuel surge impact driver. Over here we got the drill driver impact combo kit with 1 6.0 amp hour battery and 1 3.0 amp hour battery, and then it looks like it's got the M12 charger there. This one was $337 down to $209. Also comes with the contractor's bag there. Get into a little bit of the Ryobi stuff here. You get a 12-tool combo kit with 3 batteries and a charger. This was $749, now $649. Getting a lot of stuff there. Over here you got the combo kit, the 3-tool kit with a 4.0 amp hour battery and charger. Looks like you're getting the impact, the light, reciprocating saw. Oh, this one was $280 down to $99. Over here you're getting a 6-tool combo kit with 2 batteries and a charger. Go ahead and click into this. This was, I think, $343 down to $199. So this one you're going to get the drill driver, the impact driver, reciprocating saw, circular saw, multi-tool, work light, and then you're going to get the buffer. You're going to get 1 1.5 amp hour battery and then 1 4.0 amp hour battery. You're going to get the charger and then the bag. This is for $200. I don't think any of these are brushless. Doesn't say that these are brushless. I don't think that they're brushless. Now we're going to move over to some rigid combo kits. This one was $467, now down to $269. You're going to get the reciprocating saw, multi-tool, and the 7 1/4 circular saw. This is the tools only for the rigid. Scroll a little farther down here. You're going to get a 3-tool combo kit. This one was $310 down to $119. This one includes the LED light, portable power source, compact hand vacuum, 2 2.0 amp hour batteries, and the charger. All for $119. Over here we got the subcompact brushless 1/2" hammer drill kit with 2 2.0 amp hour batteries, a charger, and a bag. This one was $179 down to $129. Lots of stuff here. Next we got The 18-volt cordless half-inch drill driver kit with 2.0 amp hour battery and the charger. And it looks like it comes with the bag too. This one was $179 down to $99. Over here, you're going to get a 3-tool combo kit, 6.5-inch circular saw, multi-tool, and reciprocating saw. Was $297 down to $199. And over here, you're going to get the half-inch high torque 6-mode impact wrench kit with 4.0 amp hour battery. Looks like it comes with a contractor's bag and charger. This one was $299 down to $199. Got another Dewalt 5-tool kit here. This one was $649 down to $499. This one's going to include the drill driver, reciprocating saw, circular saw, oscillating multi-tool, 1/4-inch impact driver, a 2.0 amp hour battery, a 4.0 amp hour battery, a charger, and a bag. Looks like you also get the blower along with it. This one says out of stock online with mine. So I don't know if this is going to be available. That one was $649 down to $499. Alright, so now we got a planer here, DeWalt planer, 13-inch, was $848 down to $629. Comes with the stand. So this one comes with extra set of knives, feed table, and feed out table. This one was $848 down to $629. Over here we got 8.25-inch compact job site table saw with bonus heavy duty rolling table saw stand. This one was $599 down to $429. Over here we got the 12-inch double beveled sliding compound miter saw with heavy duty work stand, $769 down to $629. Tons of stuff going on here. You got the cordless brushless 1/2-inch mid-range impact wrench with detent pin and anvil. Looks like this was $318 down to $229. This is going to come with a 20-volt max 3.0 amp hour battery, and then the charger. $318 for that one down to $229. Got another compound single bevel miter saw here with stand. This one was $367 down to $279. Got the oscillating multi-tool here with one 3.0 amp hour battery and charger. Was $249 down to $169. Got the 6.5-inch circular saw by DeWalt with 3.0 amp hour battery and charger. This one was $234 down to $159. Here's a 4.5-inch grinder with a 3.0 amp hour battery and charger. Was $218 down to $159. Got the reciprocating saw here with 3.0 amp hour battery, $218 down to $159. Here we got the 3/8-inch ratchet with cutoff saw and the high-speed ratchet and impact. This one's $429 was $666. So you're getting 4 tools there. Got some more Ryobi. Here's the brushless here. This is the impact wrench kit with the 4.0 amp hour battery and charger. Was $229 down to $159. Then over here you got the reciprocating saw, the brushless with the 4.0 amp hour battery, down to $149. Got some polishers here. You got the extended reach ratchet that was $209 down to $159. This one also comes with a 2.0 amp hour battery and charger. Got another Ryobi polisher here. This one was $131 down to $89. This is the 10-inch orbital buffer with 2.0 amp hour battery and charger. More rigid tools. Got a dual bevel sliding miter saw. This is the tool only. was $3.99 down to $2.79. Reciprocating saw kit with 4.0 amp hour battery and charger, $159 down to $109. Got the multi-tool with 14-piece oscillating blade accessory kit. This one was $153 down to $109. Got another oscillating multi-tool with the 2.0 amp hour battery and charger. This one's $109. Circular saw kit with 4.0 amp hour battery and charger, down to $129 from $159. Back to some Dewalt stuff here. We got a little tool kit here. This is a 34-piece, 1/4 inch and 3/8 inch driver socket set. $34, marked down to $29.97. Got a 192-piece mechanics tool set here. This one's at $169. This is also Dewalt. Got some blades here. Got the Tough System 2.0 deep tool tray. This one was $17.97 down to $9.97. Got a 12-inch finishing saw blade here for $49. Got some Milwaukee Impact steel drill and screwdriver bit set. This is a 100-piece. Down to $29. Looks like it was $69. Hole saw kit here. It's a 10-piece. Was $239 down to $129. Lots of deals going on, guys. That looks like that is it for these deals. But I just wanted to go through those real quick. Like I said, it's like 3:30 in the morning where I'm at right now. Half asleep, trying to show you guys these deals, but they seem like they were pretty good, so I wanted to hurry up, get this video out there for you guys so that you guys see it as soon as possible. Just in case you're interested in any of these deals, you can shoot up to your Home Depot or actually buy the stuff online and hopefully get something for a deal. So I'm going to sign off here, guys. Hopefully you found this video useful. If you did, smash that like button. And if you guys like what I'm doing on my channel, go ahead, hit that subscription button and that notification bell so you guys get notified when I post my next video. Thanks for watching, guys, and happy tool hunting.